All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys an old technique with snakes with trouble sheds. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys a little technique that it's an old technique that they use to help snakes that are having trouble sheds. So like I have a ball python and banana double head clown pied that's having a trouble shed. What I do is I fill up a tub with water. You can see how high it is right here. Not too high at all, just enough for its body to be half below water. And as you know, the weight of the snake, it will probably be 3/4 maybe. So you don't want the water to be too hot. You want it to be like a lukewarm, something closer to what they're used to inside their enclosures. So let's see where we're at right now. It's probably still cold. Yeah, it's 86. It dropped a little bit. But yeah, you want it to relatively be something similar to what they're used to. You don't want to put them in shock. So 86 to 90 is perfectly fine. I wouldn't go too much over 90. You don't want to get them a little boiled up in there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let's get the snake. All right, let's get the snake, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the snake in here for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll give it a little soak, and that way it gets a drink of water also in here. All right, guys, this is the ball python right here. You can tell she has a little stuck shed on her head. It's a little dried out looking. So what we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and put her here in this tub for about 15 to 20 minutes. You don't want to put her in there too long. Like I said, you gotta get her off my head. You don't want to put them in shock. You can see that she's not struggling. She's making me a liar. But yeah, so you're just gonna go ahead and close this, and you don't want to make it too hot. Remember that, guys. So you just want to make it a little lukewarm, something that they're used to. So we're gonna go ahead and put her in here for about 15-20 minutes, not too long. And you can tell, guys, she's not fully submerged in there, so it's just perfect amount of water in there for her. And it'll help loosen up that skin on top of her head, and it'll go ahead and assist her after that point. All right, guys, it's been about 20 minutes, I would say. Let's see how she is doing. Let's see if it helped at all. Let's see. Hopefully she doesn't tag me at all. Yeah, yes, you can see some loose skin right there. So if you guys see right there, let's see if we can zoom in on that. You can tell we got some loose skin. So yeah, guys, you can see it's working. So what we'll do is we'll come in here, and then we'll just slowly just try to massage it all off. You see right here, guys, it's all coming off. This is all you have to do, guys. And what I'll do is it's gonna be kind of hard to do, and I'm both on camera, holding the camera and trying to rub this off of her. So what I'll do is I'll just slowly try to help her peel off the rest. You can see it comes off very easily, guys. I bet you she's gonna feel great after this. I think a majority of it came off. Let's see. All right, guys, what we're gonna do is, it's kind of hard to hold the camera and do this both at the same time, but I think we got a majority off, guys. She looks a lot better than she did before. And what you guys will see, the leftovers, you can see all the loose skin that came off. Very easy, guys. Anybody could do this. And she gets a drink of water, and she gets to feel better without all that loose skin on her. This just happens from having dry air. You know, a lot happens when you have a heater in your house. Dries out the air, less humidity. So yeah, she doesn't happen with all the snakes, but it happens with certain areas of the rack system where I have to spray a little bit more. But yeah, I thought while I was doing a video, why not show you guys a few of my ball pythons that I have in these racks. So I won't show you guys everything. Gotta save some stuff for the other videos. But right here, we had a trouble feeding Orange Dream double het clown pied female. So she was in a bigger tub before this, and she stopped eating for about a month or so. So that tells me she's stressed out or something's going on with her. I tried downsizing her to see if that helps it, because ball pythons like tight spaces, and this is just a temporary enclosure until she started eating. She already had 2 meals in this enclosure, so she's going back to her regular normal enclosure now. But yeah, I got her back to eat by just downsizing her cage. So that's a little tip for you guys. And then let's see, is any of these are in shed right now? Yeah, I got a little pastel double het albino pied in shed. Let's see what we got here. Little Candino, guys. This one is one of my trouble ones. It's starting to do better now. This is a little Candino. I love this guy. I think this is the one that's stuck on live. I had a couple of them that were giving me a little trouble. Got another Candino here. Love my Candinos. Another Candino baby. So this is I think this is my biggest one out of the clutch. You can tell she got some size on her. What do we have here? Normal double het albino pied. I think this one's another normal. Yeah, this is the one that's a little more feisty. You can tell. Yep. All right. Put this one away. Let's see what else we have here, guys. I think this one is the clown double. Oh no, this is just a clown het pied male. This guy has grown some size. He's ready for his upgrade. If a snake's doing well and eating well in an enclosure, I tend not to upgrade it. Ball pythons like being in a secure place, so if he's doing good, no reason to upgrade. And then right here, guys, we got my albino pied. Proved out to be a pastel albino pied. Yeah, guys, I love this snake. This was one of my dream snakes as a kid. This is the dad of most of those babies I just showed you guys. I do plan to use them more in the future. I know the albinos are kind of phasing out, but something I always enjoy to do. Yeah, but the albino pieds is something I always enjoyed to do. So I'll continue to breed them for a little bit longer. Just something I enjoy, guys. All right, guys, thank you for enjoying this short little video. Thank you guys for subscribing. See you guys in the next video.